What if a crash must have happened here? Like, is this light is very damaged now? So it is, well, not the light itself, but the pole right there. And even that there is damaged. This light's alright still. New Yodel alarm there too. There's a new Yodel alarm. Yeah, new Yodel alarm, and even that there is broken now. The, what do you call them again? Cameras, CCTV cameras. And what about you over there? You're old still. New Yodel alarm replaced there. Is a new Yodel alarm? Yeah, it is a new Yodel alarm, yeah. Nice shiny, that's a new Mo flash. This crossing has come to a very bad state. Like, first of all, the barriers here got damaged, and now the Wigwag house and the new Yodel alarm. So the alarm must have got damaged probably too. Yeah.
What?
Yep.
Can't that run with that light?
Is that new Wigwag? No. Even that is broken, and even the CCTV cameras are done as well. The cameras too are done as well, and the new alarm right there. So you have Mo flash, are you? Yeah, you Mo flash. Yeah, you are Mo flash, yeah.
Oh, the wires. No. Sound of you at the lights?
Never. Like what I always do. No river on the anti-trespass guide here either. They're not saying enough. They've even took all of that there too. And no, alarm there's new Mo flash. For some reason it must have got damaged with the Wigwag probably. It's a shame though, I'd like that old alarm sorted. Oh well, at least I got the actual person still here at least, so that's all that matters. No, it's alright. No, it's alright. I'll do the other one, so don't need to go anywhere. Graffitied? Yeah, graffitied the train.
Graffiti in front of it.
I know.
Must have been parked up somewhere when they done that.
I know. Maybe they must have stuck into the train area and then must have put a graffiti all over.
Yeah.
Train depot. Even though this light's damaged, it still works fine, so does the place. Like, even though this light is damaged, it still works alright.
Yeah.
I think it's a new Wigwag too, I think, is it? Or is it?
With clips on it, I think sure.
It looks like a new Wigwag too.
Jubilee clips. We're back to size now.
Yeah.
We just about caught it no more. According to that. Nope, there's the end of it.
Yeah.
Just done it no more.
Even the fence is damaged too.
Yeah.
Express. You know, compared to the new Yodel, it actually makes this sound a little better, not gonna lie. You're done.
It's very low, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very quiet.
Still broken. I wonder how they didn't replace that one, you know.
I think maybe.
Made in house there you are.
I don't know.
Did you hear the alarms over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, that one up there is just as bad as this one here, so it is.
Is it?
Yeah, plus there was a loose pedestrian light, so it was. That was upside down, so it was.
Yeah, they're on a new thing, aren't they?
Yeah. We haven't did that course in a while, you know. I wonder when if I should do meeting house lane again or not. But maybe I will do it again one day. You know, like the paint of the buyers have gone, so they have.
Yeah.
Pedestrian lights loose. A loose buyer light. And skirts messed up.
What they do,
Don't know how to describe it.
You just well just take a down to it, just Dunmurry, and I'm going down that. And do meet in the house because you're waiting for about an hour for another one to come.
I know.
I think it would. You call it coming. You call that one question.
Enterprise?
Enterprise would it be? No, come this way.
You wouldn't know.
I'm going to call it.
See the new ticket machines over there too.
Is there?
4013 is the number of the train. Can see it from here.
Yeah, what? You can see it?
4013. The Lisburn. Because it zooms in very far.
That zooms in right here, doesn't it?
Yeah. It's a great wee new phone, this.
It's like a for binocular.
I don't know. But compared to my older phone, I couldn't even zoom into it at all because it was on super steady mode.
Right.
And it was very bad at quality and dark, so it was. But luckily I can use this and it has a lot of storage on it and I can just free up any time I like. It's like what happens if I can
Tell your dad about that phone.
Huh?
You get your number for it, tell him the number for this phone.
Yeah.
You know, it spoils the not having the number. What do I mean? Another thing to just really set and then I'll do it. Let's take out the plastic one. Then parts it in that with them.